What's up, everybody? I'm driving to the Bay Area right now, about 500 miles round trip. For this trip, I got brand new ignition coils, brand new spark plugs, fresh oil change, Valvoline, Restore and Protect, and I'm running a can of that Chevron Techron fuel additive. So what I'm trying to do is make a run for the most miles I've ever gone on a tank. I haven't done one of these in a while because my car has been running, a long time ago I would get at least 370 or 380 to the tank coming down from the Bay Area to San Diego. I usually get better mileage coming down, but I'm going to try and see what I get on the way up. Hopefully mid 300s, high 300s. My best I've ever done, believe it or not, is about 407 on a tank, but I was literally running on fumes pulling into the gas station, so it was kind of scary. Anyways.
All right, so I'm making my first stop. I had to use the bathroom just right at the 150 mile mark. All right, I just got on the I-5. I just finished the mountains, and I just got on the I-5 north, right at the split where it's 5 and 99. I'm at 204 miles. All right, I got it on cruise control, doing about a tick under 75, 222 miles. That's how much gas I got left. Let's go down to 5. I'm at 250 miles, and just a hair under half a tank. This is pretty. All right, here we are, still on the 5, 315 miles. That's how much gas I got left. All right, I'm at 349, almost 350. All right, so I just mapped on my phone. The gas station's coming up. There is a Chevron 21 miles away, and I'm at 377, so that'll put me over 400 miles, and I know I got plenty of gas for that, so I'm going to shoot for it. Wish me luck. Guys, I don't think I'm going to risk it. I think I'm going to get off this exit right here. I'm at almost 390 miles, and alright, I just pulled up the Loves. I'm at 390.9 on the tank. Not quite running on fumes, but I'm not going to risk it. I'm happy with 390 on the tank. So I'm here filling up at Love's. We're looking at 409 a gallon, 287. Put the bottle of this in there. Let's see what the total gallon fill up is, and then we'll just. So that's what I was talking about when I fill up my gas tank. It goes, you can't even see it. It goes above the full line, so that's why I got to be mindful of. So 391 miles in the tank. I got 582 on the oil change, and I got 241,000 miles on the car. Yeah, we did it.